Need to switch carriers but keep your number? First, you'll need your Total Wireless account number and a transfer PIN. The account number is a unique 10-digit code, not your phone number. You can find it by logging into the Total Wireless app or website at totalwireless.com. Biometric login is now available for faster access. Alternatively, call customer service at 1-888-936-4968. To get your transfer PIN, request it through the app, website, or by calling. As of mid-2025, you should receive it via SMS within 15 minutes. Remember, for security, you'll likely need to verify your identity through multi-factor authentication before you can access this information. Once you have your account number and transfer PIN, give them to your new carrier, along with your phone number and IMEI. Dial *#06 to find your IMEI. Ensure your Total Wireless phone is unlocked and that you've paid any outstanding balances. The transfer PIN is usually valid for 30 days. The new carrier will submit a port request, which Total Wireless typically approves within hours. The number transfer takes 24 to 48 hours, with a brief service interruption. A common mistake is providing incorrect information, like the wrong IMEI. Double-check everything to avoid delays. Also, be aware of scams. Only use the official Total Wireless app, website, or customer service to get your PIN. If your account has an outstanding balance, the transfer will be blocked.